Yes. So earlier we did application of derivatives, first part. Now we are going to do the second part of application of derivatives. In this session, we are going to discuss only the trigonometric functions. Okay, all the trigonometric type problems we are going to discuss. Yes, look at this. First, show that f of x is equal to tan x is an increasing function on pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, so tan x is increasing. So to check increasing or decreasing, what is the procedure, my dear? First, we need to find what is f of x. Of course, f of x is already there. Next step, we need to find out f dash of x. Third critical point we have to find out. What is critical point is f dash of x is equal to 0. Using f dash of x is equal to 0, we have to find out the values of x. Okay, we have to find out the value of x and we need to check whether it is there in this domain or not. That's it. Now, look at this. Let us proceed. What is f of x is equal to? Tan x. And second step, find f dash of x. Secant square x. Is that right? See, no matter what value of x is, okay, no matter what value of x is, secant square x is always greater than 0 because any real number which is that is whole square is equal to 0, greater than 0 only. It is always positive. Is it right? This is always greater than 0. Secant square x because secant x and secant square x. Okay, because if it is in this interval, that is second quadrant, secant x may be negative, but secant square x cannot be negative. Okay, so x belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Okay, therefore, f of x is strictly increasing on minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Is that clear, all of you? So that's it. Okay, as simple as it is. Sir, these type of questions, of course, there's a past year question only, 2-mark question. Okay, now let us do one 3-mark question. Okay, let us do one 3-mark question. Find the intervals which the function f of x is equal to sin 3x minus cos 3x, where x is between 0 and pi, is strictly increasing or decreasing. By looking at the sum itself, I can tell you it is like, a little bit lengthy. And I'm requesting all the students to copy with me. If you are just watching, please copy with me. Okay, and kuda ukkandu copy panna parunga. Don't copy, just let us do it together. Okay, let us do it together. Listen here. First, what is f of x is equal to? F of x is equal to sin 3x minus cos 3x. We need to do this sum very carefully, my dear. Okay, there is high chance of committing mistake. Okay, if f of x is equal to sin 3x minus cos 3x. Next one is find f dash of x. F dash of x is equal to derivative of sin 3x is cos 3x into 3 minus derivative of cos 3x is minus sin 3x into 3. I hope you all understood, right? How to differentiate, right? Now, sir, we can take 3 outside, sir. If I take 3 outside, cos 3x plus sin 3x. Okay. So f of x we got, f dash of x also we got. Now we are going to find out what? What you are going to find out? Wait, one small work let me do. Okay. So now we have to find the critical point, right? To find the critical point, what we have to do? Put f dash of x is equal to 0. So now 3 times cos 3x plus sin 3x is equal to 0. Okay. Then what you are going to get? Cos 3x is equal to minus sin 3x. This way we can write because 3 will goes to right hand side and cos 3x is equal to minus sin 3x. Therefore, tan 3x, can we say it is equal to minus 1? Yes, divide both sides by cos 3x, my dear. Divide both sides by cos 3x. So we get tan 3x is equal to minus 1. Is that clear? Tan 3x is equal to minus 1, right? Clear, all of you? Yes, tan 3x is equal to minus 1. When tan is negative, therefore, 3x is equal to, when and all, in which quadrant tan is negative? Second quadrant tan is negative. Am I right? Fourth quadrant tan is negative. Okay. Then again, it is rotating, right? It's a circular path. Now look at this. 3x is equal to, can be what? 3 pi by 4. Second quadrant. Okay. In this place, it is negative. Then pi plus 3 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4. Here also it is negative. Then 11 pi by 4. Here also it is negative. Dot, 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 dot. It goes on like that. But remember, this is 3x is equal to, but what is x is equal to? 3 pi by 12, comma, next what? 7 pi by 12. Next what? 11 pi by 12. Only these three going to come. I'll tell you the reason behind it. எதுக்கான இந்த மூணு மட்டும் சொல்றேன் பாருங்க. See, இது எவ்வளவுமா? Pi by 4. See, for our understanding, let us write. This is 45 degree. And 7 pi by 12 is what? 105 degree. And 11 pi by 12 is what? 165 degree. Is it belongs to minus pi by, 0 to pi? 0 to pi then? Yeah. Is it on the interval 0 to pi? Because இதுக்கப்புறம் எது வந்தாலும் என்னது இந்த இன்டர்வல்லே இருக்காது. So that's what we are not taking other angles because it is cyclic. மால்பார் போயிட்டே இருக்கும். Inverse trigonometric function போயிட்டே இருக்கும். But we have taken only these three, 45, 105 and 165. This is for our understanding. I have written it. Otherwise, what is x is equal to? Pi by 4, 7 pi by 12, 11 pi by 12. Okay. Now, see, as I told you earlier, let me draw the number line now. Okay. So, from 0 to pi, this is the limit. Now here, pi by 4. Next one is 7 pi by 12. And finally, 11 pi by 12. Okay, tell me. So, any point to be in between, that is interval, whether increasing, decreasing. Okay, sir, here there are three intervals, sir. Of course, my dear, all the three has to be taken. But remember, கொஞ்சம் எக்ஸாம்ல கொஞ்சம் பெருசா சம்ம போகும்போது அவாய்ட் பண்றதுக்கு உண்டான வழியை சொல்லிடுறேன். ஓகே, என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா கவனிங்க. இங்க என்ன பண்ணலாம்? இன்டர்வல். ஐ டோல்ட் யூ டு டிரா த டேபிள். ஐ ஹோப் யூ ரிமெம்பர். இன்டர்வல் and f dash of x. What is f dash of x? 3 into cos 3x plus sin 3x. Then finally what? Result. Okay. So first, what is the first interval you are going to get? 0 to pi by 4. Now you take anything between 0 to pi by 4. So 0 to 45 degree. Can we take 30 degree? Can we take 30 degree? Let me check for 30 degree. What you are going to get? F dash of x, f dash of 30 degree. 3 into, what is it? Cos 3 into pi by 6 plus sin 3 into pi by 6. So what you are going to get? 2, 2. Is it nothing but 3 which is greater than 0? Positive. Am I right? Positive. What is positive means? Increasing. By Webikov method, I can place other things plus, minus. But remember, always you put here 0 to that interval, something you take. 45 degree இருந்து 105 degree நடுவுல ஏதாவது ஒன்று எடுத்துக்க சொல்றாங்க. கரெக்டா இல்லையா? ஓகே, don't take 90, take 60. கேன்சல் ஆகும்ல, இங்க 3x உள்ள இருக்குல்ல. ஸோ 3x உள்ள இருக்குன்ற போது அது அந்த மாதிரி தான் வரும். ஸோ 0 to pi by 3. Okay. So f dash of pi by 3 is equal to 3 cos pi plus sin pi, because 3 get cancelled, and this is going to be less than 0 because I'm going to get minus 3 which is going to be less than 0. Therefore it is negative decreasing. Okay. Similarly, what is next? 0 to, sorry, this is not pi by 3. First 0 to pi by 4 we are taken. Next pi by 4 to 7 pi by 12 to be taken. Na? Pi by 4 to 7 pi by 12. Okay. Next is 7 pi by 12 to 11 pi by 12. And in this case, it is going to be f dash of x is going to be greater than 0, which is positive again, increasing. Then 11 pi by 12 to pi. F dash of x, I will get negative. So therefore, negative, it is decreasing. That's it, my dear. Therefore, f of x is increasing on, what is that interval? I think 0 comma pi by 4, 0 comma pi by 4 and 7 pi by 12, 11 pi by 12. Okay. Next step. F of x is decreasing on. Okay. F of x is decreasing on. What is it? Pi by 4 comma 7 pi by 12. And what is it? 11 pi by 12 to pi. Okay. Is that clear, all of you? So this is the final conclusion we need to write. Of course, you have to be very careful. Okay. But of course, see here, this one part you need to understand properly how we are taking the angles. Okay. How we are taking the angles. That is very important point. Okay. Within the limit we have to take. Okay. Sure. Next question. Prove that y is equal to 4 sin theta by 2 plus cos theta minus theta is an increasing function for theta in 0 comma pi by 2. Okay, fine. Okay, you have to be very careful while doing this sum. All of you listen here. What is given? Y is equal to 4 sin theta divided by 2 plus cos theta minus theta. Listen here. There is high probability of committing mistake while doing this sum. So when you do this sum, you have to be very careful. Okay, please focus. Okay, please focus. There is high probability of committing mistake. Next step. Let me take this as f of theta. Okay. Now find f dash of theta. So f dash of theta, is it u by v rule? Is it u by v rule? 4 sin theta by 2 plus cos theta. Is it u by v rule? Yes. What is it? V u dash. What is derivative of 4 sin theta is? 4 cos theta minus u v dash. What is derivative of 2 plus cos theta? Minus sin theta whole divided by denominator square minus derivative of theta is 1. Don't forget. Okay, people forget this. Okay. Next, open the brackets. 8 cos theta plus 4 cos square theta plus 4 sin square theta minus 2 plus cos theta the whole square whole divided by 2 plus cos theta the whole square. I hope you understood this, right? Okay. Yes. Now, 8 cos theta plus 4 cos square theta plus 4 sin square theta. Can I take 4 outside? So if I take 4 outside, what you are going to get? Cos square theta plus sin square theta minus. This is a plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square is? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Am I right? Divided by 2 plus cos theta the whole square. Now open the brackets, my dear. 8 cos theta plus, what is 4 cos square theta plus sin square theta is? 1. So which is nothing but 4 only. Minus 4 cos theta minus cos square theta divided by 2 plus cos theta the whole square. Now plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled. Now 8 cos theta minus 4 cos theta is what? 4 cos theta minus cos square theta divided by 2 plus cos theta the whole square. Further, can we take cos theta outside? So what you are going to get? 4 minus cos theta divided by 2 plus cos theta the whole square. Okay, this is what our f dash of theta. Now, we need to find out the critical point. So critical point means put f dash of theta is equal to 0. So cos theta into 4 minus cos theta divided by 2 plus cos theta the whole square is equal to 0. So finally what you're going to get? Cos theta into 4 minus cos theta equal to 0. So either cos theta equal to 0 or 4 minus cos theta equal to 0. So when cos theta equal to 0, theta equal to, what is theta equal to? Is it pi by 2? So what is the interval? 0, pi by 2. Okay. So here 4 is equal to cos theta. Okay. 4 is equal to cos theta. Listen here. What is actually cos theta is always what? But cos theta is always between. Okay. Sorry, this is pi by 2. Cos theta is always between -1 and +1. Am I right? But here cos theta is equal to 4, which does not exist. Okay, which does not exist. So therefore, theta is equal to pi by 2. Okay, theta is equal to pi by 2. Now look at this. You take the interval 0 to pi by 2. Okay, substitute any value here. What is it? What we can take? Pi by 3 will take. Okay, pi by 3 will take because cos 60, pi by 6 will take. Because cos 60 is what? 30 degree. Sorry, cos 30 degree is what? 1 by 1. Pi by 6, pi by 3 only will take. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So let us take that. Okay. 1 by 2 then cos 60. Okay. Now, what is f dash of theta? Let us take f dash of pi by 3. What is f dash of pi by 3? Cos theta into, that is cos pi by 3 into 4 minus cos pi by 3 divided by 2 plus cos pi by 3 the whole square. Correct? So, of course, by looking at it, we can understand this is 1 by 2, 4 minus 1 by 2 divided by 2 plus 1 by 2 the whole square. No matter what, this is strictly greater than 0. Am I right? Therefore, f is, that is y, here we have taken y only, na? Y is equal to 4 sin theta by 2 plus cos theta minus theta, always increasing on 0 to pi by 2. That's it. Okay. This is what we talk about increasing and decreasing functions. Okay. Fine. Yes. So now let us start. Prove that the least perimeter of an isosceles triangle in which circle of radius r can be inscribed is 6 root 3 r. Sir, you are discussing about trigonometry type questions, but here there is no trigonometry. Please wait, my dear. Let me continue this. After that, you'll come to know why this question is why I'm doing this question. You will come to know. And remember, this question was asked in the exams once, 2024. Okay, 2024. Uh, Such an important sum here it is. Let us continue. Prove that the least perimeter of an isosceles triangle in which circle of radius r can be inscribed is 6 root 3 r. Okay. Yes, radius we have to find what is actually the perimeter. Okay, the perimeter, the minimum perimeter which is inscribed in an isosceles triangle is 6 root 3 r. This is what we have to prove. Okay. So let us start one by one. First, let me draw the diagram. Okay. Yes. Okay. So this question already asked in the examination. So don't think that, sir, these questions and all, how they will be asking, sir, because which is not there in our NCERT book. Don't say those things. Okay. Now, before we do, this is what it's ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Let me take O as the center. Okay. Let me take O as the center. Please write it down first. Proof. Please write it down. Let triangle ABC be an isosceles triangle. Let triangle ABC be an isosceles triangle. Next, O be the center. Okay. O be the center. Is that clear? Now tell me, look at this isosceles triangle and the circle inscribed in it. Now look at this. What is AB, BC and AC looks like? Is it nothing but tangent? Okay, it is nothing but tangent. Yes, it is a tangent. Okay, it is tangent. Now, let radius of circle be R. Okay, let radius of circle be R. So let me write little neatly. Be R. Okay. So look at this. Now, see, since it's an isosceles triangle, okay, since it's an isosceles triangle, remember this always. AB equal to AC. Okay, in this isosceles triangle, AB equal to AC. Now look at this. Here, what is this? You always remember, you know this, right? Perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the tangent is, sorry, perpendicular only, no, sorry. Uh, it is what, line joining the point of contact of tangent and the center, okay, of the circle is always perpendicular. Okay, it is always what? Perpendicular. Okay. Yes. Now listen here. This is perpendicular, and this is also perpendicular. This is also perpendicular. Am I right? And also, of course, you remember this also. Look at this. Let me take it as E. Sorry. D, E, F. Let me take like this. Now, we can say that BE is equal to BD. I hope you all understand, agree with this. B is equal to BD. Next, CF is equal to CD. CF is equal to CD. Next, AE is equal to AF. Is there is any doubt, my dear? I think this tangent theorem and all we must be learned in our 9th standard. Okay. I'm writing all the information. That's it. Now, I'm just joining this. Now here AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. Of course, it will pass through the origin only. Of course, it will pass through the origin only. AD is perpendicular to BC. Now AD is altitude of the triangle. Okay, AD is altitude of an isosceles triangle, and D definitely what AD bisects BC. AD bisects BC. So I can say BD equal to DC. I can say BD equal to DC. Is it clear, all of you? If BD equal to DC and DC is equal to CF, therefore BD equal to DC is equal to CF. Do you all agree? Now can we say EB is equal to BD is equal to DC is equal to CF? Is there is any doubt, my dear? Okay. Yes. Now whatever I explained, na, everything we need to write. Okay. Now please write it very clearly, my dear. OD perpendicular to BC. Same way what? OE perpendicular to AB. Same way what? OF perpendicular to AC. Clear? So remember, radius is perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. I think this theorem you know it. Radius is perpendicular at point of contact. Okay. Sorry. ஏதோட point of contact போடணும் perpendicular to, radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. I hope you all agree with this, right? Now what we can say? We can say BD is equal to BE. Any doubt? Next, CD is equal to CF. Next, AE is equal to AF. I hope you all agree with me, right? So here tangent from the external point of a circle are equal in length. Tangent from an external point. Tangents from an external point are always equal. This theorem also we know it. Okay, I think I already explained these things. Okay, now what is AD? See, since AD is an altitude, now when I join A and D, definitely AD is going to be altitude, because when I join AD, it is always going to pass through the origin of the, center of the circle, and AD is altitude. AD is altitude. Okay, AD is altitude. Now, therefore, BD equal to DC. Why BD equal to DC? In an isosceles triangle, altitude bisects the third side. Okay, altitude bisects the third side. Okay. In an isosceles triangle, altitude from common vertex of the equal sides bisects the third side. Okay. Here AB and AC are equal. Okay. Triangle ABCB an isosceles triangle. This you can write AB equal to AC. You write it down. Okay. ABCB an isosceles triangle. AB equal to AC. So we are drawing a common vertex. Okay. From A we are drawing one perpendicular. It's an altitude now. So what we can say, BD equal to DC. Of course, you all understand this. Now from this, what do we come to know, my dear? Look at this, BD equal to BE, CD equal to CF. So therefore, look at this, BD equal to DC is given. BD equal to DC is given. Can we say BD equal to DC is equal to BE is equal to CF? Can we say this, my dear? Okay, because see, look at this, compare this, and this. We get BD equal to DC equal to BE is equal to CF. Is that clear, all of you? Yes. Now, what is perimeter? We are talking about perimeter. Now, perimeter of triangle. ABC is equal to AB plus BC plus AC. Do you all agree? AB plus BC plus AC. Do you all agree? AB plus BC plus AC. So, what is P is equal to? Now, how can we write AB is equal to, my dear? Is it AE plus EB? Can we write it as AE plus EB? Is that right? AE plus EB. And BC can be written as what? BD plus DC. Plus AC can be written as what? CF plus AF. Okay. Now, please listen this very carefully. Here, AE and AF are equal. Is that correct? AE and AF are equal. So, let me write it as AE plus AF together. And here, look at this, my dear. EB, BD, DC, CF, all four are equal. Let me write this as together, plus BD plus BE plus CD plus CF. Let me write like this, okay? Now, since AE and AF are equal, I can write it as AE plus AE, correct? Look at this. Here, AE is equal to AF. I'm using here. Plus BD plus BE plus CD plus CF, all are equal only. BD, BE, CD, CF, all are equal, which already proved, right? Here we have proved it, right? We have proved it. Now, what we are going to get? Everything I'm going to write BD plus BD plus BD plus BD. So 2 times AE is equal plus 4 times BD. Is that clear, all of you? So please understand this. Sir, actually, so we have not yet found the function, because after getting the function only, we have to check for f dash of x, then f double dash of x, everything we need to start. So far, perimeter we are finding. Even perimeter also, this is not a function type, okay? This is what perimeter of triangle ABC. As of now, this is what we got it from the given information. But still, we are not yet arrived to function. Okay, function we have to find out. So please look at this very carefully. Now, let me take this. Otherwise, every time I have to go and check. Okay, now listen here. So, I need to find out AE, right? First, what is AE and what is BD? We have to find out. Let me take this angle as theta now. Okay, let me take the angle as theta. Okay, let me take the angle as theta. Okay, yes. Angle EAO is equal to theta. Let me take this. Now, in triangle, let me take triangle OAE. Okay, OAE. Tell me what is tan theta is equal to? What is tan theta is equal to? Hey, is this R? Is this R? Because radius we have taken it as R, right? So this is R. Tell me what is tan theta is equal to in right angle triangle? What is tan theta? Opposite side by adjacent side. So what is tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side? Tell me what is opposite side by adjacent side? OE by AE. Am I right? So tell me AE is equal to, is it nothing but R by tan theta? Do you all agree? A is equal to R by tan theta. Next. So we got AE. Now let me find out BD. To find BD, I'm going to take this big triangle. Okay, I'm going to take this big triangle. Is that clear, all of you? This triangle I'm going to take. Right? Yeah. I need to find out BD. So for that, the big triangle I'm going to take. Now tell me, my dear, what is tan theta is equal to here? In triangle. Okay, in triangle, what is it? In triangle, what is in triangle? A, D, B. Now tan theta is equal to what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Am I right? Opposite side by hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse is? I think there is no use, right? This tan theta is no use. Okay, tan theta is no use. Okay, tan theta is no use. Let me find out. Okay. Let us do it. Tan theta is equal to என்ன வரும் சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம். Tan theta என்ன வரும்? BD by AB. Is this what we are going to get? Is what we are going to get? BD by AB. Is that right? Do we need BD? BD is needed, na? Sorry, correct only. So what is AB? Huh? Oh, opposite by adjacent side. AD. Sorry. AD. Opposite side by adjacent side. This is AD. Am I right? So what is AD is equal to? See, AD is nothing but OA plus OD, correct? Now, this is also our radius only. This is also our radius only, correct? Say yes or no? So, AD is equal to what? 2R. So, BD is equal to, what exactly you are going to get? 2R tan theta. Is what our AB, oh sorry, what is it what our BD? Yes? No, is it, hey, how R, my dear? See, sorry. AD is not 2R, sorry. This is actually up to here, see, up to here only R, na? So I've taken entire thing. So first let us find out OA. Let us find out OA. Look at this. Here, let me take here only we have got OA. Now sine theta equal to what? What is sine theta equal to? Tell me what is sine theta is equal to? In this triangle OAE, opposite side by hypotenuse. Am I right? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Is it clear all of you? Is it opposite side by hypotenuse? What is opposite side? OE by OA. Am I right? Is that right, all of you? So, what is OA is equal to? OE is nothing but R. Is it R by sine theta? Okay, R by sine theta. Now, AD is equal to, okay, what is AD is equal to? Can we write it as OA plus AD? AD is equal to OA plus AD. OA plus AD. OD, sorry. I told you, we have to be very careful. OD. What is OA is? R by sine theta plus what is OD is? R. Okay. Clear? This is what our AD is. This is what our AD is. AD is nothing but, so therefore, BD is equal to, is it AD into tan theta, my dear? Is it AD into tan theta? But what is AD equal to? R by sine theta plus R into tan theta. Is that clear, all of you? Say yes or no. Now, opening the brackets, R by sine theta into tan theta plus R tan theta, which is equal to, what is sine? Tan theta is nothing but sine theta by cos theta. So cos theta will be there in the denominator. It is R sec theta plus R tan theta. Can we take R outside? When you take R outside, we'll get sec theta plus tan theta. Clear, all of you? Sec theta plus tan theta. But still it is not yet over. We have just found BD. Now what is perimeter is equal to? This is what our perimeter is. P is equal to 2AE plus 4BD. So, therefore, P of theta is equal to 2AE. We have already taken what is AE is equal to? Where is AE? R by tan theta, right? Plus 4R into sec theta plus tan theta. Is that clear, all of you? Is that what we are getting? Say yes or no? Okay. Now let me split. Is it 2R cot theta plus 4R sec theta plus 4R tan theta? This is what our P of theta. Okay. See, still it is not yet over. Now, just now only we got the function. This is what our function is. Okay. You no need to get, sir, why these sums and all you are doing, sir, my dear. This was asked in the board exam. Okay. If it comes in the examination, if this type of sums comes in the examination, you should know how to approach the question. Okay. Otherwise, you'll be in trouble. Okay. Yes. So, P of theta is equal to 2R cot theta. Okay. 2R cot theta plus 4 sec theta plus 4 tan theta. Now, can we take R outside? R, 2R outside. Let us take 2R outside. So, we'll be getting cot theta plus 2 secant theta plus 2 tan theta. Now, find P dash of theta. Here, R is constant. Okay, R is constant. Keep 2R outside. What is cot theta is? Minus cosec squared theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta plus 2 secant squared theta. Is that correct, all of you? Now, let me find out P double dash of theta also. 2R. What is minus cosec square theta is? Minus 2 cosec theta into, what is the derivative of cosec theta is? Minus cosec theta cot theta. Is that right? Plus 2 into secant theta tan theta. What is secant theta tan theta, sir? UV rule will apply, sir. What is it? Sec theta. Derivative of tan theta is what? Secant square theta plus tan theta into what will come? Secant theta tan theta plus 4 secant theta into secant theta tan theta. You keep as it is, okay? Don't touch anything. Do not simplify. Leave as it is, okay? Already it's a very lengthy sum. And don't, writing all down. Don't put all the sums here. Don't put all the steps here. You will get confused. But remember one thing, sir, everything is positive. I hope you understand, right? Everything is positive. Everything is positive. Now, if I just find out theta value, if theta is in some quadrant, wherever I need, first quadrant if I get, I think my problem is solved. Okay, everything is positive. Sir, here negative you got, sir. Minus 2 cosec theta into minus cosec theta cot theta is what? Plus cosec square theta cot theta plus cosec square theta cot theta. Now, we have to find out the critical point. Put P of theta equal to 0. Is that right? Put P of theta equal to 0. Huh? Oh, sorry. P dash of theta equal to 0. What is P dash of theta? 2R into minus cosec square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta plus 2 secant square theta is equal to 0. Clear all of you? Now, we have to be very careful to do this. R is gone. Now, 1 by, can it is minus 1 by sine square theta plus 2 into 1 by cos theta sine theta by cos theta plus, what is it? 2 by cos square theta equal to 0. Correct, Appa? Is that right, all of you? So, correct. Now, what is LCM? Sine square theta into cos square theta. So, take LCM. Sine square theta into cos square theta. Numerator, what is going to come? Minus cos square theta here plus 2 sine cube theta plus 2 sine square theta is equal to 0. Further, this can be written as, what you are going to get? 2 sine cube theta plus 2 sine square theta. Let me write everything in terms of sine theta. Let me write everything in terms of sine theta. This cos square theta, again, I'm going to write it what? 1 minus sine square theta equal to 0. So, 2 sine cube theta plus minus 1 plus sine square theta equal to 0. So, what you are going to get? 2 sine cube theta plus 3 sine square theta minus 1 equal to what? 0. Wow. Now, it's a cubic equation, right? It's a cubic equation. To find theta, we need to solve cubic equation. So, let us solve this first, okay? Let us solve this first. How to solve? Let me use synthetic division to solve this. Okay, this is not a quadratic equation, it's a cubic equation. Let us solve synthetic division method. Okay. Put sine theta equal to x. So, I'm going to take 2x cube plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. So, what exactly going to come? 2, x square, 3x square, 2, 3, 0, minus 1. Okay. Let me start with minus 1. Sir, how did you start minus 1, sir? Because there is a rule. Sum of odd terms is equal to sum of even terms. That means minus 1 is going to be one of the factor. 2, minus 2, 1. I hope you know what is synthetic division is. Minus 1, plus 1, 0. Further, once again we should go. Again minus 1 for example. So what is it? 2, minus 2, minus 1, plus 1, 0. So therefore, the factors are like this, my dear. X plus 1 into x plus 1 into 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Is it clear? These are the factors, na? 2x minus 1 equal to 0. This is what we have to write. X plus 1. X is equal to minus 1 we have taken. So x plus 1, 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So which is implies, what is x plus 1 is? Sin theta. So sin theta plus 1 into sin theta plus 1 into 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. So here, first sin theta plus 1 equal to 0 or 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. So what is sin theta plus 1 equal to 0 means? Sin theta equal to minus 1. Is that right? Sin theta equal to minus 1. Should I take this or not? Should I eliminate this? Because if I take sin theta equal to minus 1, when sin theta will be minus 1? Sin pi is minus 1. Who said? Here. So definitely not in the range because, okay, actually what when theta is equal to what? 3 pi by 2. See, theta must be less than 90 degree. Theta must be less than 90 degree because theta is an acute angle. Isosceles triangle we have taken. So theta must be less than 90 degree. Here we are getting theta is equal to 3 pi by 2. So discard. Theta equal to 3 pi by 2. Let us take next one. What is next one is? 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. What is sin theta is? 1 by 2. So which is implies theta is equal to pi by 6. Now we need to check f double dash of pi by 6. Definitely greater than 0. Why? I'll tell you. Theta pi by 6 is in what? Where is pi by 6? Let us write the reason. Otherwise, see, either you write the reason or substitute this pi by 6 in f double dash of x. See, what is it? Theta is in, here pi by 6 is in first quadrant and f double dash of theta also in f double dash of theta. Every trigonometric function is, function term is, every trigonometric term is positive. Okay, there is no chance of getting negative sign. Do you all agree? So therefore, this is actually P dash only we have taken, na? Okay. Therefore, perimeter is minimum. Okay, therefore perimeter is minimum. Now let us find out P of pi by 6. This is what minimum perimeter. Okay, P of pi by 6 to be found out. Okay, what is P of theta is equal to? Where is P of theta? Okay, so is what P of theta? Okay. Yes, is equal to 2r into cot pi by 6 plus 2 sec pi by 6 plus 2 tan pi by 6. Now, what is cot pi by 6? What is cot pi by 6 is? Cot 30 degree. What is cot 30 degree? Tan 30 degree is what? 1 by root 3. So cot 30 degree is root 3 plus 2 sec pi by 6. What is sec pi by 6 is? Is it root 3 by 2 plus, oh sorry, 2, what? 2 by root 3, yeah. 2 by root 3 plus 2 tan pi by 6. What is it? 1 by root 3. Now what is LCM? 2r into, what is LCM? Root 3. So 3 plus 4 plus 2. So 2r into 9 by root 3. Is that correct? So into root 3 by root 3. Cancel these two. How many times? 3 times. So is it nothing but 6 root 3 r, hence proved. That's all with this question, my dear. I think to solve this one question itself, it took around 30 minutes. What if this question, this type of question asked in the examination? Okay. So remember, this is the most difficult question I can tell you. It's not that in the examination, everyone, of course, everyone, every time you cannot get the answer. But remember, what you have to do, at least wherever up to which step you can reach, now, you please go up to that level. Otherwise, mostly what, it's a procedure. Say, you have to proceed. Sir, if at all I want to do these kind of sums in the examination, what should I do, sir? You have to practice such type of problems more. But that we are not doing it. That is the biggest problem here. Okay. So that's all with this application of derivatives, my dear. Okay. Thank you, all of you.